In front of me is ONEPLUS Open, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Notifications and Status Bar. Then scroll down again. Tap on Manage All and click on blue switcher next to any app from which you want to block notifications. To switch them back on, hit the same now gray switchers. You can also go back, select one of your apps over here, and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!